All right, this interlocking grass system has been so good for my dogs. We actually will leave it mainly on our deck when they can't go down in our grassy area, or we've also used it as just like a spot filler for really our muddy and dead zone areas in our grass. My dogs love it. This is the 9 piece one, and each one is 1 foot by 1 foot. Super simple to put together. It's really good material, and it actually is like a lot more realistic than a lot of the artificial grass I've seen, which is kind of what I was looking for. I wanted something that looked more real. Like I said, you can kind of rearrange it how you want to. I did a 3 by 3 by interlocking, obviously, 3 of them together at a time. Let me show you what the back looks like because it's actually a pretty neat system how it works. It has these little like bumps, so it elevates it a little bit, which helps with the drainage. So if you live in an apartment or something and need a little area on your balcony for your dogs to use the bathroom, these are great because they have great drainage. And it's rained here. It rained here yesterday, and this is already completely dry. So that was wonderful. My dogs also love to lay on it. It doesn't get super hot or anything because it's anti UV, and yeah, it feels like a little grass would. The brand actually sent it to me to test out. I love it. My dogs love it. And you can always add more if you're looking to cover more space. You just continue to add the pieces, and then you can kind of configure it how you want. I did a 3 by 3. You could do long and skinny if you needed like a long strip somewhere, but overall, really good material. My dog loves it too. I should really get a couple more so that he's a really lengthy dog. I should get a couple more so that he can fully fit on a grass pad, but he adores it, and so do I.